Watch this video as we try and work out how to use this drill that we didn't realise is stuck in reverse and on the wrong setting, and has been that way for more than one video. Right, so put a little guide hole, I think.
You're doing those first?
Yeah, I think why don't we stick it, put one here, and then we can just do them as we go.
In the middle?
Yeah, just stick it somewhere between my hands. That's because it's flush and flat. Yeah. Alright, and then we'll get a screw. We've got you a screw. We'll get this one in. We'll make sure it's flat, yeah. And then we'll do the rest.
Okay.
Okay. Nice, that worked really well. I want to put quite a few guide holes in.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do the tall one?
Oh, go right to the top.
Maybe go there. Yeah. So it's, yeah, go there. Then go somewhere to then do your bottom. There you go, right, you screw that one in at the bottom, make sure, swap ya. Brilliant. There's your next one. Oh. That's it, you get that one in, and then you can do the rest of your. Oh, nice. I would, so what do you reckon? One there,
yeah.
And then one at the top. Do you want me to do a top?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, I feel like... Oh, 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, do you know what?
What?
I think that's been on backwards.
Oh.
It's going in reverse. We've been drilling in reverse, maybe. Is that possible? Oh my God. When you use it next time, tell me if you find it
Easier.
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah.
Oh my God.
I can't get it out now.
Press it and, yeah.
I wondered why it was so hard for that tiny bit of wood.
Teamwork. I knew this went backwards and forwards. I did not know.
The drill did.
Yeah. DIY novices. That's hilarious. So we have now installed
the frame.
So the frame's in, and then you've got like a subframe that stops the door from moving. I don't know what that's called. It's made out of a really thin wood. It's cracked in a few places, but we managed to drill some pilot holes, get it all attached. This should hold the door should hold the door in place when we install it. The issue we've got is
when we old door.
Yeah, when we removed the up and over garage door, we thought the frame was fine, so we just swapped it for these two barn doors. And now, what we realise, when you buy the barn doors, you get extra bits. So the stuff that were missing when we did the first install, when we swapped it,
we now have,
so which is probably causes us problems. So hopefully we should be able to get back in. But also, what's happened, because the doors are 3 years old.
Probably more than that far, I reckon.
Okay, so they've warped, and so we've sanded them down in places to make them a little bit more even. So we're going to get them so we can get a back in spot.
Please,
line up.
Wish us luck.
This weighs a ton. Each one of these doors is really heavy.
Yes.
Also, we're going to get them back up, and I know it looks like we've not painted them, but we actually have.
Yeah, we have varnished them, but
And
I don't like the colour, so I'm going to redo it, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
The dog's annoyed at that. Right.
So we've got 35 minutes to try and get one door on, and we'll put this most wonkiest of doors. So let's just see if it fits in, because obviously we've already sanded this corner. Let's put that in place. So let me try and get it on the frame. So we've got some little blocks underneath this to hold it in place. So what have we got? Are we too high up now?
At this side.
Which side?
How are we too high up?
1 second, I can't see. Is it that one? Move that. Fingers.
Need to lift.
Just 1 second. Ah, you know what this issue is?
What?
Just hold that. Yep, we've got a malfunction.
What?
So let's stop there. Take 2. See if we can get this back in. You ready? Squat. Shoulder press. Oh no, is it called a landmine? Is that a landmine shoulder press?
Could be, yeah. I've never done it with a door, but...
Wow. That feels almost too normal to be.
We just need more off.
1 second. Let's put that. Can I get that under? Yes. Oh, I can.
We're going to need to take it down,
1 second.
I think.
Let me just, you hold it.
Can you see?
Watch a second. Take 3. Let's see if it fits this time. Okay, lift. Squat. Landmine. Fingers. Oh. That feels
I'm feeling more positive.
It is. So
That.
So where are we?
That corner.
Okay, so are we just... Is this just... Is that what that is? I just need to get somewhere under that that's a bit thinner.
Thinner?
Is
that thin?
I
Is
just
that
need,
too thick?
I want something just to whack it with really hard, like a mallet. See that lift then?
Yeah.
It's probably a better technique for this. Yeah, that is... Ah, that's better. What's that like?
Is that...
Is that flush at bottom?
Yeah. I think this is probably because the door's
Okay.
warped.
That's flush though.
Yeah.
That's not flush in that corner.
But if once we get the thing on, it'll pull it, won't it?
Yeah. Okay.
Does that mean we can...
So do we start with the bottom corner because it fits?
Yeah.
Right. Wow. Take 5,000.
Go back in.
It's like a mission maybe not possible. Oh, that's not the screws.
No, it's not. They're in the box at the end.
Box. Oh. Oh God, the manky old box. How many landmines have you done now? Small, medium. Yeah, I think.
Pilot holes.
No, you just hold that there. Swap, you hold that. I think.
Right, so you've got 7 minutes.
Yeah. You know how much a man can get done in 7 minutes? Look at that. Open. Oh, a bit of a creak.